Yeah, man, glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life. Come. Yeah, man, give me now. We just do a throwback. But you want to know, we're going to go on and know. Tomorrow, Sunday, it's a new movie there. You hear me say? Oh, check out that something here. Check out that trailer here.
Come out here, so.
Yo, you say you love me, you know?
Where you come here, so come
You say you love me, so oh, you're over man yard.
Me not over no man yard. You don't even know where me there. Come on, come good on. Good on now, yeah. Whatcha? I tell you, I tell you, what me say if you come do?
Me a come good on.
Good on now.
Boy, you don't know you man drip man thing for go down the yard. Like you not every day want him to go on, but in good still, I feel problem you want and then turn beating stick, you turn beating stick. But them they can't do, no man can beat like that. Alright. You good though? Oh.
What kind of style this you come here with?
What?
What kind of style this plate pan bed and you lay down like your girl man? Get up man! Mr. Fi, get up! Take up this! Take up this! Tyra not even dinner, you not cook me dinner. No! Go cook me dinner.
So I'll talk by a burger for me too, you know, because we all get too big and I tell you so if we go to gym and you know want to go.
So you will get big too?
You like the part there? You like the part there? Alright, check out the next part here.
Why you must powerful, man. You know how to go so long. You see how long you know how to go and no boy can't go in. Better than busy about truck, better than bad anything out there stay. I'm there, that's how you talk. Anyways, you could tell me.
Come here, boy. Come here.
Watch out now. Watch out now. Watch out now. Watch out now.
Watch out.
Wait now.
Watch out.
Wait now. What happened? You could.
You should play them in your yard for morning. You should play them for morning.
You wash one of them eat out.
Me not put clothes in my bathroom there for your wash.
You can't beat me for my friend. You can't.
It's just like a vehicle. Me there on my side of the road, you know. Hey. Yo, you forgot to... No. Then I saw no one to live for barge in a people's house.
Who you?
What you mean by who?
Why you put on for my daughter? Eh?
Your daughter not tell us that me I walk on the road and she come bounce me like me and her friend or something.
My daughter no bounce for you. Me say you beat man, say you feel say you can beat my daughter and get away with this. Yo! More you left out of the place before me done you.
Alright, soon tomorrow for the full story, alright? Remember, you know, if you like, share, subscribe. Remember, say it's free to subscribe. We're going to the 100K and we're going to be in your city one day. Let's go. Burn it down to the ground. Thanks for the support. Let's go.